This video tutorial will show students how to check for comments on assignments that have been made in SpeedGrader. There are two easy ways that are intuitive. The first is to just access grades. This is something that your teacher will have to turn on if you do not see it listed. But the other way to check is through assignments. I will show you the way to go through grades first. There are several ways to check, but these are the two easiest and most intuitive ways. When you click on grades, this will then show anything graded in SpeedGrader. And I can scroll to see, here I've got an assignment that's been graded. I can see that there were 4 points possible, I got 0, and that there's a comment here. Notice the others don't have those. That's how I know I've been scored or that I have a comment. So I can come in and I can just click on it. And this then will take me to the assignment. It will give me the comment and who made it and at what time. From here I can go in and I can see my response. I can add additional information, attach additional information, and resubmit my assignment if I'm allowed. That's one way to check for grades or comments. The other way, if you don't see grades, or if your teacher has not enabled it yet, go into assignments, and all of that's going to do what this just did. Going to the assignment view, everything. So if you know what you're looking for, that's great. That's why unique naming is really helpful. I could type it in if I didn't want to search through the list, and I can see it here. I can open it up, got 0 out of 4 points, and then I can go in, and again, here it is, and here's the comments. It is smaller here, but I see all the same information. As a student, I'm just going to need to know to go look right here. So in short, those would be the two easiest, most intuitive ways for a student to check comments on assignments that you've made in SpeedGrader.